Hello again. Today I'm going to show you how to filter your entries using market structure. So you stop finding the market and start aligning with it. Understand highs and lows, guys. Everything starts with structure. Market structure is simple, the sequence of high and lows. In an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. In a downtrend, lower lows and lower highs. That's it. Okay, the highest and then the lowest points. The market speaks through the structure if the price keeps creating higher lows, buyers are in control. If price keeps creating lower highs, sellers are in control. Remember that about the zones with Bollinger Bands. We got a resistance zone and support zone. Before entering any trade, ask yourself, what is the market doing structurally? Because structure tells you who has control. Alright, with that, the breaks structure. Alright, now let's go deeper. A breaks of structure happen when the market violates the previous swing. For example, in an uptrend, if the price suddenly breaks the previous higher low, that's a structural shift. That's information. It may signal a possible reversal. But here's the mistake traders make. They assume every break means reversal. Not always. Sometimes it's just liquidity being taken before continuation. That's why concepts matter. When a candle doesn't change the trends, remember that. A structure change when behavior change consistently. Right? We got a continuation versus reversal with that situation. This is where trades lose money. Pay attention with that. They try to predict reversals in strong trends. The market is making higher highs, higher lows, and then try to sell. Why that? What's the reason? Because it's already went up too much. Just at the highest point. If you just compare that with the previous hours, that is the highest point. That's emotion thing. Continuation setups have a higher probability than reversal setups. So try to check it out the previous hours to understand that the lowest and the highest point. And why that? Because you are trading with momentum. Reversals require confirmation. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free? Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Continuation requires alignments, and alignments increases probability. Alright? And then, guys, always trade with the flow, we trade with the trends. Try to follow that. Professional traders don't fight the flow. They wait for pullbacks, reverse, correction. Alright. In an uptrend, they look for buys and higher lows. In a downtrend, they look for sell at lower highs. They don't change the top. They don't guess the bottom. They operate with the structure. If the structure is bullish, they look for buys only. If the structure is bearish, they look for sells only. Alright? If you just got a good downtrend, just pass through the middle line of the Bollinger Bands. Wait to that. So that will be the correction. That will be not. So I can follow the downtrend with that. The lower highs. Alright? If the candle just break through the middle line and going up, get a correction. Wait for the next candle. Next to 5 minutes. Another higher low. So they try to get it with the buy button. Okay, that's simple filter. Powerful results. Because when you align with structure, you align with probability. All right. And when not to enter when you have all the situations. Guys, try to avoid trades when structure is unclear, market is range with equal higher and lows, and there is no clear breaks or continuation. All right. As I said, wait for that. It's a good thing to follow. This is the middle line. Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. You are trading against the domination trends. No clarity, no trades. If you are confused, the market is not ready for this. Wait for a structure to speak. Guys, just open all the pairs. Let all this in your favorites and just check it out all the pairs. Click one by one. Just passing by for all the pairs to analyze and get a good situation for you to make your decision. Alright? So, most trade lose not because their strategy is bad, but because they are entered against the structure. They fight the trends. They anticipated reversals. They ignore high and lows, but now you understand. Okay? Markets structure is your filter. It's their direction, control, probability. And remember this, if you trade against the structure, you trade against the probability. Trade with the trend, the flow. Let structure guide you. Alright? And results will change. I promise. If this helped you, like the video and follow for more professional trade content, guys. I wish you good profit, good operations, and have a good one. See you. Bye bye.